Hi, I'm Rene from CSK in Germany, and today I'm together with
Nick from ZSK in the United States. And we're here to introduce you to ZSK's newest innovation in bridge-style machines, the Racer 1 XL. This machine has a 30 by 30 sewing field, 700 by 700 millimeters, 24 colors that can be equipped all at one time. So in addition to the wide format, nearly 30 by 30 inches of flat sewing that the Racer 1 XL offers, it's also a convertible machine, meaning the table can be dropped so that we can embroider on items like shirts, jackets, caps, shoes, pockets. Rene, maybe you can tell us a little bit more about what inspired ZSK to build such a versatile piece of equipment.
Yes, of course. But before I start to explain about this, let me explain about the history of our company. Just talking about a little bit. The CSK exists already since 1875, imagine. And that time we made actually weaving machines, wooden weaving machines, and later on shaked weaving machines, as well as shuttle machines and jiffly machines, and later on we made also multi-head in the 50s, as well as single-head machine. And one of the results, what you see here, is this one. So, as you can imagine, we are very close with the textile industry together, and even we work very hard with big companies together, and so we are listening to those people. What do they need? What is necessary in the market? And even we try to give them more help. Means we develop our own and tell them, look, is this something what you can need? And then they come back with an idea, and as I said, this is one of the results of it. This is a machine which allows to do actually everything.
And that intimate relationship with those customers provides that valuable feedback. ZSK has always maintained a role of propelling the industry forward, being a pioneer with things like the small cylinder arm, high-speed sewing, calibration of the machine for different types of jobs.
So yeah, right, we can put on all our accessories, which we do have on our whole ZSK line. And also we can put on all attachments which we have. Attachments like sequin devices, hot air cutting, cording devices, borer, whatever you need. As you can see here, it is on the left and the right side, the same as it is in all our series. This is really, really good for the market.
It can really be used for a wide range of industries, from decoration, personalization. What about the manufacturing industry? Have you done anything for automotive manufacturers or others that have been looking for a large format machine?
That's a very good point, by the way, Nick. Yes, indeed we did. So we could do now for several years already very tiny stitches, as you have maybe seen already, with very thin yarn. But nowadays, more and more the question is coming from the automotive industry or upholstery or stuff like that. They want to use sewing yarn, very thick yarn, to make very nice lines inside, for instance, however it looks like. And we can do this right now. And this allows us also for this machine to do, or to go into another market, which is for sure very interesting for everyone.
Now let's look a little deeper into some of the specific features about what makes the Racer 1 XL the most versatile machine on the market. First off, you can equip even all the collegiate colors if you wanted to on the machine, so that we can do a high volume of small run fulfillments. This means customers can choose from a wide assortment of colors, and the operator doesn't have to change any of the threads on the machines, using everything from even a 60 weight thread all the way up to your standard sewing yarns, all without having to rethread. Rene, maybe you can tell us a little bit about how did ZSK overcome the problems of tensioning and moving all those threads that far of a distance without tangling and different problems?
Right, that's a good point, by the way. Yeah, this machine does have a moving thread rack. So that means while the machine is actually changing the needle, the thread rack will also go with the head together. Means that's why we have them for sure, definitely always a nice tension for the threads. That's the reason why. Secondly, also this machine do have an adjustable pressure foot, of course. So that means you can also go for thicker materials, like I'm talking about puff or leather or whatever you need, basically. So this is all the benefits which just the all series have as well. That means the whole line what we have at CSK, but just that you know that is also available on this machine, right?
So adapting and calibrating the machine for different types of material, different types of jobs, from thick to thin, wide color assortment, different decoration mediums. Our adaptability isn't just limited to the mechanical side. Information technology has also been considered with ZSK's forward engineering and the way that the T8 can interact with other technologies. Can you tell us a little bit more about the T8?
Yeah, that's right. Well, what we have here is our panel. As Nick already said, it is a T8 control panel. We do have here 3 USB ports behind, as well as an RJ45 connection for the networking. The networking in this case is basically very easy because since the panel is based on Windows CE, a network connection is really easy to connect with other computers. This allows you to import very easily data from any other systems. And so even when you use our codes, for instance, the code like we call it the zoo code or transport code, has the whole information from your digitizing system. Means the color numbers, the color thread thickness, for instance, even the background color. All information what you have in your design header will be also in the control panel.
So speaking across the network, we can talk with online stores, custom shops, anything that's a Windows-based communications that are going on. Even in the event that new technology evolves, the T8 can be removed and replaced with whatever the next series of control panel is. So that way, the mechanical benefits of having an all-metal drive system machine can carry you through even to the next phase of technology. Thanks for taking time to look at the video to introduce ZSK's newest racer series, the 1XL. Certainly it will be on display at all the major trade shows worldwide. Come by, have a look, and check it out. Thanks again, Rene.
Thank you very much, Nick. We hope we see you soon, and thanks for watching our videos.